The verb we'll study today is the verb mirar. We'll see in detail the multiple meanings of this verb later in this video. But for now, let me explain you how to conjugate it. It belongs to the group of verbs finished in ar. It's a regular verb, which means the root is the same for all the pronouns. Remember that we can obtain the root of a verb by moving away the ending of it, and the remaining part is what we call the root, la raíz. So, we already have the first part of the conjugation in present simple, the root. Now, we must add the ending belonging to each pronoun. Let's see. Yo miro, tú miras, vos mirás, usted mira, él mira, ella mira, nosotros miramos, nosotras miramos, vosotros miráis, vosotras miráis, ustedes miran, ellos miran, ellas miran. If you don't remember all the pronouns or don't understand something about this topic, you can review it in the video we have about it. I'll leave the link in the description box. In English, mirar means to look, to see. Lucía mira el amanecer por la ventana. When it is used with the preposition por, it means to take care of. Sara siempre mira por sus amigos. Sara always takes care of her friends. Other common expressions are mirar mal, to look with disdain. Javier siempre mira mal a todo el mundo. Javier always looks everybody with disdain. A synonym of mirar mal is mirar por encima del hombro, literally to look over the shoulder, but it actually means to look with disdain, to look down at. Mirar por encima, to skim or to glance at. El doctor mira por encima la historia clínica del paciente. The doctor glances at the patient's medical history. Mirar a ver. In some contexts, it means to look for a solution, and in other contexts, it means to pay attention, to be alert. This expression is usually used in imperative mode, as a command. It's rarely used in present simple. Mire a ver cómo me paga. Find the way to pay me. Mira a ver cómo me hablas. Watch the way you talk to me. Remember, the translations of the sentences I'm giving you aren't necessarily literal. They're used to help you understand the general meaning, but they aren't a word-by-word translation. If you didn't understand something about this verb, please let me know it in the comments below, and I'll make sure to answer and clear up your doubts. There are more uses for this verb, but mentioning all of them in this video would make it too long. So, if you want me to make a second video about this verb, let me know it as well, and I'll try to make it. Hello, my name is Paola Nieto, and I'm here to help you with your goal, to learn Spanish. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you have any question about the subject or any suggestion, even about my English, don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel to be aware of the content we upload. And don't forget, we have a website where you can find more content to practice Spanish. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!